Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine. I welcome you back in the chemistry class of class 6 chapter 2 part 2. In the first part of video, we have studied about the elements and all the matters that has been divided into different categories. Then element has been divided into metals, non-metals, metalloid and noble gases. Okay? Now we will start the next topic today, that is symbol of elements. What is the word meaning of symbol? I hope all of you know the meaning of symbol, where the symbol is given. It is a short form presentation of anything. Like when you have a plus sign on any, when you go to the to a doctor's to visit the doctor, you see on its door there is a plus sign symbol, or on the ambulance go you write there is a plus sign represented there. That plus sign represents a symbol of medicals. Same way there will get some symbol of danger. It represents the symbol of danger. In the same way, a symbol is necessary to represent the elements. Why it was necessary in the beginning? As you see, as the time in the early days, as the people began to discover and the scientists or the chemists began to discover new elements in the different places. Sometimes it happened the same element were discovered at different places by different persons. So they began to give the name to those elements to the symbol according to their own wish. They named those elements from the place where they have found, or the name to the elements were given on by the scientists who have discovered in the respect of the scientist who had discovered that particular element. Then they began to give the symbol to the elements according to their wish, which created a problem all around the world on international level. So to overcome this problem, it is very necessary to have a unique symbol to all the elements that should be followed all over the world. What is a symbol? Symbol, it is a shorthand representation of elements. It is a shorthand representation of elements. Like a common example, we take it oxygen. Oxygen is a gas. What is the symbol of oxygen? O. O is the symbol of oxygen. So what is that representing? A symbol is a shorthand representation of elements. The present system. In the olden days, people used to, the scientists or the chemists used to give the symbol to the elements according to their wish, according to their own method. Like John Dalton was the first person who began to give the symbol to the elements. He symbolized the elements in the form of a figure, which was not easy to follow all over the world. So, after him, the system that we follow today, the present system of allotting the symbol of the element was introduced by J.J. Berzelius. It was introduced by J.J. Berzelius. Why there was a need of the symbol? Symbol is a short representation of a big name of the elements. When we write any equations or reactions, if you write the complete name, it will take a large space. It will take long time. To overcome these problems, it was necessary to give the symbol to the element in the short form. The short form will represent the particular, that symbol will represent the particular element. The system that we follow today of symbolizing the element was given by J.J. Berzelius. Later on, this was verified by the IUPAC system, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, has also approved this system of naming the symbol of the, giving the symbol to the elements. So the system that we follow today, what is it is? It is a single letter or a two-letter abbreviation. Abbreviation means a short form, short name. So the system of symbolizing of the elements at present time, what does it consist of? It is a single letter or two-letter abbreviation or a short name of its English name or its Latin name. Generally, the elements have English name, and some elements also have Latin name also. English name plus Latin name. So symbol to the elements are given as the symbol as the first letter of their name or first two letter of their English name or their Latin name. This was the rule of giving the symbol to the element was introduced by J.J. Berzelius, which was further approved by IUPAC system, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Okay, so what is a symbol? Symbol is a shorthand representation of element. Present system of allotting the symbol was introduced by J.J. Berzelius. And how we give the symbol to the elements? We give the symbol to the elements by the first letter of the as a single letter, or first two letters of their English name or of their Latin names. Okay? This much you read. Now let us come to the next topic. Okay students, so we studied about the symbol of the element. You understood what is symbol of the element? It is a shorthand representation of element. Okay? And how the symbol is given? The symbol is given either by the first letter of their name or first two letter of their English name or the Latin name of the elements. Okay? Now let us see the significance of the symbol of the element. What is its importance? Why symbol is important? A symbol of the element, it represents the name of the element. A particular symbol represents the name of the element. Then it also represents one atom of the element. This is the significance of the symbol of the element. It represents the name of the elements. A symbol represents the name of the elements, and it also represents, a symbol represents one atom of the elements. For example, like H. H is a symbol of hydrogen. H stands for hydrogen. So H represents hydrogen, as well as H represents one atom of hydrogen. Another example like Ca. Ca represents calcium. It represents calcium. It stands for calcium. So Ca represents the element calcium, as well as it also represents one atom of calcium. Clear? So this is the significance of the symbol of the elements. What is that? It represents the name of the element, as well as the symbol represents one atom of the element. Now one important thing to remember, whenever you write the name, whenever you write the symbol of the element, very important thing to remember. If it is a one letter symbol, it should be always written in capital letter. Like for one letter symbol, for hydrogen, I have written H. Okay? So always one letter symbol should be written in, the symbol should be given in capital letter, like H for hydrogen, O for oxygen, capital O for oxygen, capital N for nitrogen, capital N for nitrogen. So always remember, when you give the one letter symbol should be always in capital letter. But when you give a two letter symbol, as I told you in the first, that symbol is either a one letter or a two letter abbreviations. When you give the two letter symbol, so what is the point to remember here? The first letter should be always capital letter, and second one should be always a small letter. Like as I given here, Ca, capital C, small a, calcium. When it is a two letter symbol, first will be always capital and second will be always small. Like sodium, capital N, small a, the symbol of sodium. Chlorine, capital C, small l, the symbol of chlorine. Okay? So this is a very important point to remember. Whenever you write the symbol of a particular element, if it is a one letter symbol, it should be in capital, one letter should be in the capital letter. If it is a two letter symbol, the first letter should be capital and second should be small. Okay? Understood? Now let us see. I give you some name of the elements with their symbol, which you have to learn by heart. It is very important, which will be helpful for you in the future classes. Okay? So I am going to give the list of some of the name of the elements with their symbol, and some of the name of the elements with their Latin name and as well as their symbol. As I told you, the elements have their English name also and Latin name also. Some elements have English name and some elements have English name and Latin name. Okay, so I give you the list of those elements with their name and their symbol, which you have to learn by heart. Very important. You should learn it by heart. Okay, let us see the next part. Okay, students. So I come to the next part of this. What is that? Name of the elements and their symbol. I have taken first 20 elements. It is very important to learn by heart. I have told you that. It is very helpful to your upper classes. If you have got the book in your book, this name of these first 20 elements with their symbol is given. You must learn it by heart. Why? I have written it on the board. Just go through it once. Hydrogen, H. What is the symbol of hydrogen? H. Helium, He. You can see in the two letter symbol, first is capital, second is small. Lithium Li, beryllium Be, boron B, carbon C, nitrogen N. It is some element have one letter symbol, so one letter is capital letter. Nitrogen N, oxygen O, fluorine F, neon Ne. Then sodium Na, magnesium Mg, aluminium Al, silicon Si, phosphorus P, sulfur S, chlorine Cl, argon Ar, potassium K, calcium Ca. Now you will have a confusion in the some points that some elements like this potassium starting the name with P, but we have given the symbol K. What is the reason behind it? As I told you that some elements have their English name as well as the Latin name. The symbol is given either from their English name or from the Latin name. What is the reason behind it? It is because in this 118 elements, as they have arranged systematically according to atomic number, there are some element whose name starts with the same letter. Whose name starts with the same letter. Thus, when we start giving the symbol to the elements, the element which come first, we give it the first letter of the symbol, first letter of the name as a symbol. Okay, but if the elements, another element is repeated whose name starts with the same letter as the first one is having the name. Suppose there are two students in your class, like roll number 1 and roll number 2, whose name also starts, both their name starts with letter A. If I give symbol A to both students, there will be a confusion. So to overcome all this confusion, we give the symbol in different way, that is by the help of the English name or by the Latin name. So some elements symbol has been chosen from their Latin name. So potassium K, this symbol K has been taken from its Latin name. The Latin name of potassium is kalium. Okay, like here say sodium and its symbol is N. The Latin name of sodium is natrium. So it has been taken the symbol Na. Why? Because see, before sodium there is one element, you will see, means some elements in the series that comes in the beginning, whose name also starts with the S. So it is given S as the symbol first. But in the series sodium, its name has been taken from the Latin name, that is natrium. Okay, so now I give you the name of some of the elements, some of the name of the elements with their English name and with their Latin name. Now you read those elements. Okay, so in the first I told you about the name of the first 1 to 20 elements which has been arranged according to the atomic number and their symbol. Now I have taken the name of some elements which is having their English name also, their Latin name also and their symbol. So first one, sodium, its Latin name is natrium and symbol is Na. Then potassium, Latin name is calcium, symbol is K. Then iron, its Latin name is ferrum and symbol is Fe. Then copper, whose Latin name is cuprum, symbol is Cu. Then silver, its Latin name is argentum and symbol is Ag. Then gold, I hope all of you know gold. Its Latin name is aurum and symbol is Au. So here is the list of some of the elements with their name, with their symbol. You should learn all this by heart. Okay? We will study some new topics in the next part of the video. That will start with the compounds in the next part of the video. Till then, revise this much. Take care of yourself. Okay, thank you.